So this is what I call a cheat sheet for screencasting, just something to summarize the process and to look back on anytime we need to. It's also posted as a PDF in Schoology as well, so if you ever wanted to click on it, you can see it there. So obviously the first thing you're going to do is choose your content. And that goes without saying, right? What are you explaining? What are you demonstrating? In most cases, we're talking about the lesson at hand there. Then I have this idea of choosing the backdrop. Are you going to be recording something that you want the students to see or your audience to see that would be like a PDF of a worksheet? Is it a Google slide presentation in the background? Is it a website in the background? Is it a video that you're voicing over? Is it a blank whiteboard that you are demonstrating some process, almost like a chalkboard or a whiteboard? So what backdrop do you prefer? What works for you for this video? And then we prepare that backdrop. And this saves time because you don't want to have the recorder recording for periods of time that it really doesn't need to be. For example, if you were going to write something out slowly on a screen or type something out slowly on a screen, maybe there's value into having that already there. So the backdrop, the non-important, non-essential processes are already there, and then you can add in the other stuff. So set the stage, in other words. And then if you're going to switch back and forth between different sites, different tabs, different windows, have them all open so it's easy to switch back and forth and you're not searching for things while the recorder is going. And the reason for this is obviously to keep it clean and have the continuity flow, but also you don't want to waste time uploading minutes of a video or seconds of a video that you really didn't need to begin with. So then we're going to record. You're ready to go. Your backdrop is made, your lesson's ready, and you're going to record. Are you going to use volume? Probably, but you don't have to. It could be just a tutorial where they're following your mouse step by step, but usually you're using your own volume. And this was mentioned in the other video, but keep it short. You don't need, if your class period is 40 or 45 minutes, the video isn't 40 or 45 minutes because they can go back and re-watch things and have the flexibility of pausing and playing. You can keep it shorter and the watchability goes up. If they see short videos, they're more likely to watch them and to be engaged. And obviously it makes for quicker uploads too. Speaking of uploads, that would be the next thing you do. So now you have to decide, what are you going to do with your file? What kind of file is it? Is it a video you recorded on the iPad that you're going to upload to your photos? Are you going to put it in Google Drive? Do you have a YouTube channel? Is it the recording app that you chose? Does it have its own platform where it stores videos? YouTube has a good advantage. I have a YouTube channel. They're easy to create. And if you do that, when YouTube videos are played back, there's actually a feature that allows it to translate to different languages, so that helps with some students. But it's not necessary, it's just an advantage. And the last thing is, once you've uploaded it, now you post or share it. In most cases it's a link. If it's a Google Drive file, if it's a YouTube link, usually even if it's in an app of another program, it's just going to be an internet link which you could post on Google Classroom, you could post it in an email, you could share it anywhere, because at that point, like I said, it's just a link. So again, this cheat sheet is in Schoology for you to print or look at anytime you want. It'll make more sense as we go through the process.